Welding FAQs, Part 3 of 4, with a pair of commonly asked questions. I don't have the equipment needed to back purge. What can I do? We have just the thing for you. Solar Flux is a product developed for welding stainless steels without the need to back purge. It is a powder that is mixed with alcohol, isopropyl or ethanol to form a paste. The paste is applied to the back side of the weld prior to tacking. When the joint heats up, the paste forms a crystalline barrier that keeps out the oxygen. More on back purging in Part 2 of this Welding FAQs series. Another popular question is, I cannot afford a TIG. Can I use a MIG welder to weld stainless? Yes, MIG is a great way to weld stainless steel. You'll need to be sure to use the correct stainless welding wire and proper purge gas. Part 4 talks about oxyacetylene welding of stainless steel. If you have a question you would like to add, please send it to vince@burnstainless.com.